Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Hawk from Cobra Kai. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing his forehead with a curved line diagonally downwards from the upper corner, slightly to the left, right there. And on his eyebrow, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn inwards to the right. And at that ending point, I'm gonna turn it downwards to his cheek. Turn it inwards diagonally to his chin and slightly to the right. Semicircle turn on his chin to the right and turn it diagonally upwards at that corner. Now from the point where his eyebrow is on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right right there. Semicircle turn downwards to the nose, and at the tip of the nose, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the right. And I'm gonna exaggerate his feature, and I'm gonna draw his nostril on the right side of that with an oval shape right there, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. On the left side of his nose, I'm gonna draw his eye with a curved line out at his upper corner, turn it downwards, semicircle turn back inwards to the right. And inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw at the upper corner his eyelid with a curved line across, turn it slightly upwards on the right corner. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw his pupil with a circular shape on the right corner right there. And on the right side of that line, I'm gonna draw a semi-black circle. Above the eye at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw the lower line of his eyebrow with a similar diagonal curve line to the left and slightly upwards right there. Now for his right eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a curved line across on the right side of that, turn it slightly up at the outer corner of the eyebrow. From the same point on the left, I'm gonna draw the upper line of his eyebrow diagonally upwards to the right, turn it sideways to the right. At the inner corner of that eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on the left corner right there. And on the right side of that, I'm gonna draw his eye with a curved line upwards, semicircle turn across to the right, turn it diagonally down at the outer corner of the eye. Now for the lower line of his eye, I'm gonna extend the upper line downwards, semicircle turn to the right and turn it upwards. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for his pupil in the middle point, a small circle on the top left corner inside of that, and a black circle in the middle. Above his eye, from the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally upwards to the right, across to the right, and turn it downwards at the outer corner on the right. At the side of his nostril on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and at the outer corner of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and slightly out. On the left side of his nose, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line diagonally down and to the left. Now for his mouth below the nose, on the left corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across and slightly downwards to the right. Semicircle turn in the middle point and turn it back diagonally up on the right side of the mouth. Now going back up to his forehead, I'm gonna take that point above and draw a line across to the right, turn it slightly downwards and across to the right. Sharpen to the left and slightly downwards, turn it downwards turn it sideways to the right, semicircle turn downwards, and sharp turn back upwards on the right side. Now from that ending point, I'm gonna draw his ears with an arch curve line across to the right, turn it downwards at the outer corner on the right, turn it diagonally to the left, and semicircle turn to the left. Inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the same outer line at the inner corner on the right here, and at the upper corner, turn it downwards, semicircle turn to the right and slightly downwards, turn it upwards, semicircle turn to the left. Above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. Now for his hair, I'm gonna take the point above his forehead on the left and draw a curved line outwards to the left, semicircle turn inwards and up, semicircle turn upwards, sharp turn back downwards on the right side, and I'm gonna repeat that same triangular shape again on the right side right here for his mohawk, and again a smaller one on the right side of that, and on the right side of that I'm gonna copy the same shape and slightly lower right there, and at that ending point I'm gonna turn it sideways to the right, sharp turn diagonally down and to the left, and from that ending point diagonal line downwards and to the right, sharp turn to the left and slightly upwards, sharp turn diagonally down and to the right, sharp turn sideways to the left, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, curve line across to the left. Now below his ears, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards right there, semicircle turn to the right at the base of the neck. For the left side of his neck, I'm going to draw a line downwards below his chin right there. Now from the left corner of his hair, I'm going to draw a zigzag line across to the right, and at the back right there I'm gonna turn it diagonally downwards and turn it downwards right there, and below the ear I'm gonna continue that zigzag line downwards all the way to the lowest point of the hair right there. Now for his outfit, on the right side of his neck I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across to the left and downwards, and extend it all the way to the left side of his waist. Trace the same set of line again on the right side right there, and from the upper point I'm gonna draw a line outwards to his shoulder. From that point I'm gonna turn it to the left, semicircle turn diagonally downwards with curved line, and from the same point at the side of his shoulder, curved line downwards at the outer corner on the right there. Now for his arm, on the left side of that, curved line downwards from the sleeve, turn it slightly inwards. Below that I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and flare it to the right and to his elbow point, semicircle turn back to the left on his elbow point, diagonal curved line to the left and upwards. Now on his wrist I'm gonna draw a curved line out to the left right there, and below the palm I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left, turn it diagonally up, semicircle turn upwards, turn it sideways to the right. Above that I'm going to draw a curved line upwards at the outer corner, turn it to the right, and copy the same set of shape again above that and another one. Semicircle turn diagonally downwards and to the right at that corner. And on his wrist, I'm going to draw a curved line to his elbow point on the right there. For the inner line of his upper arm, above that line, I'm going to draw another line upwards to his sleeve at that corner. For the inner line of his sleeve, I'm going to extend that curved line downwards, turn it outwards to the right at the lower point, sharp turn downwards at that corner, and continue that line below the arms, right there, diagonally to the left, flare it out with the curved line at that corner, and semicircle turn back inwards, and curved line across to the middle of his belt right there. An arch curved line across to the right, and another arch curved line on the right side of that. Curved line across to the left, flare it slightly out and up, turn it back inwards at the upper corner, and at that ending point, a curved line upwards. Below that whole thing on the left side, I'm going to draw a line downwards, curved line across to the right. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, and from that same point, a U curved line across to the right, and another U curved line across at that point. Curved line upwards, and from that same point, I'm going to draw the lower line of his belt with curved line across to the right side of his waist. A line upwards at that corner. Now from the left side of his neck, I'm going to draw a curved line out and slightly downwards to the left. And from that same point at the side of his neck, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Slightly on the left side of that, another similar curved line right there. And at the ending point on the left shoulder, I'm going to draw his hand with a diagonal curved line across to the right there, semicircle turn diagonally down to the right, and semicircle turn downwards. And on the left side of that at the lower point, I'm going to draw his other fingers with diagonal curved line to the right and downwards, semicircle turn to the left and downwards. Repeat that same shape again for the other fingers to the left, like that, and at the side of the hand, extend that line further to the left, semicircle turn upwards, and above that ending point, a curved line across right there. Now for his thumb, below the fingers on the right, I'm going to draw an arch curved line, turn it diagonally down and to the left, semicircle turn to the left at that point, and below his hand on the right, I'm going to draw the inner line of his arm with diagonal curved line downwards and to the left. For the outer line of that arm, I'm going to extend that diagonal line downwards to the left, semicircle turn back inwards to the right on his elbow point, diagonal curved line back upwards and to the right. Now for his sleeve, at that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards to his hand, and below, I'm going to extend it diagonally downwards to the lower point right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.